There's expected clean, and then there's clean like you've never seen. Zep takes clean to the next level. Grill and oven racks get a reset with Zep Oven and Grill Cleaner. Pros know this powerful formula dissolves carbon and baked-on grease from inside ovens and grills, making them look new again. Shake well and spray a light, even coat. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. Wipe with sponge, rinse thoroughly, and return grates to oven. One look at the results and you'll know why for over 80 years pros have trusted Zep to clean a wide variety of surfaces. Go beyond what you thought was possible with our full line of specialty cleaners. Discover results that get talked about with Zep Next Level Clean.
So lucky for us, doing a 2-for-1 today for how I clean my grill. I use this CitraSafe barbecue grill cleaner, which you have to spray on the grill when it's cold, but it does a really great job. You can see I cooked chicken before and I've now let it cool down. I've got some skin on there and everything, and then after using the CitraSafe, which I have used several times and I love because there's no chemicals in it and stuff like that. Just moving over to this pumice stone, which does a much better job than the wire grill brushes, which I had started finding wire grill brush pieces kind of flaking off, and I was a little worried about it getting into the food and stuff like that. So these have ended up working out really great, and they do an awesome job cleaning up the grill. Alright, so going ahead and just spraying, and then I'm going to go let it sit for a minute afterwards. And you can just go ahead and spray it on pretty liberally. Like I said, it's just this citrus-based stuff, but it's nice to have a clean grill, Okay, I'm just going to let it sit for a minute, and I'll show you what it's like to wipe it up. Okay, so we've let that sit a little bit, and you can just kind of see how easy the pumice stone cleans this right off. You can see, that is just night and day, from right here. So, big thumbs up to both the citrus, and a thumbs up for using pumice stones to clean. Cheap, easy, and much easier, and I think safer as well. So, cool. Take care.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.